Okay, today we did lesson 9.5 numerical patterns. When we do numerical patterns, we usually have a table like this that we work with. And what we're trying to do is find missing items and find the pattern and what's going on. So today we worked on just finding all the patterns that we can and see how this table makes sense. So as we can see, this table, it's talking about batches, number of eggs, and muffins. So for each batch, one batch, you need 2 eggs and 12 muffins. Okay? Then if I have 2 batches, I need 4 eggs and I get 24 muffins. For 3 batches, I need 6 eggs and I get 36 muffins, and so on. So let's find some patterns really quick. Well, if we look left to right on numbers of eggs, each batch that we bake, we're going to just need 2 more eggs, right? 2 to 4, 6, 8, 12. So going this way, we can add 2 every time. For the number of muffins that we get for every batch, we can see that as we go to the right, it goes up by 12. Okay, so there's a couple patterns that we see. If we look down this way, from top to bottom, we can see that each batch, so one batch, 2 eggs, 2 batches, 4 eggs. To go from batches to eggs, you just multiply by 2. And then our last pattern that we're looking at right here is to get from number of eggs to muffins. We multiply by 6. 2 to 12, 2 times 6 is 12, 4 times 6 is 24, 6 times 6 is 36. So to get from number of eggs to muffins, we multiply by 6. Now there are other ways we can divide. You know, if we did it the other way, we divide by 6 to find the number of eggs. So if we were missing this term and we had this term right here, we could divide to find that one. But right now we have this term for 9 batches. Remember what we talked about in class. Be careful and pay attention to these numbers right here. Because look at this one. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, and it doesn't go to 5. It skips and goes to 9. Okay? So for 9 batches, you need 18 eggs. And now we need to figure out the number of muffins you need for 9 batches. So to figure this out, we just need to multiply by 6. So if we do 18 times 6, we get 60 plus 48 is 108. 108. So that is our missing term. If we were missing it this other way, if we were missing this number, we would do 108 divided by 6, and we would find our answer for that missing term. Don't forget that when you do story problems, that it's always helpful to set up a table. Okay, here's our extra credit problem. I mixed up the numbers a little bit. You need to find the missing term right here, and you need to find the missing term right here.